Hello everyone. Today we have with us the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G and we are going to unbox it and check out what do we get inside of this box. So without any further ado, let's quickly unbox it. So there you go. As you can see, we have the device right here and that's branded by the company. This is the graphite variant. The variant that we have over here is the 128GB 8GB version, and towards the back side, as you can see, there is a triple camera setup with an inbuilt flash. Towards the side, we've got a power button, we've got the volume rockers right over here. On the bottom side, as you flip it, we've got a speaker grill, a USB Type-C port, a microphone and a SIM card tray. And the side is pretty much clean, and that's pretty much about the physical overview. Let me keep this phone aside and check out what else do we get inside of the box. So inside of this package, firstly we get to see a USB. Let me keep this aside, we'll check it out later. And of course we've got the SIM ejector tool right over here on top of this box. Let me keep this aside. So here are some manuals right over here. Firstly, we've got the regional lock guide. There you go. Then we've got the warranty card right over here. And coming back towards the cable, we've got a Type-C to Type-C charging cable over here. That's all, folks. These are all the things that you are going to find out inside the box of the Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Thank you so much for watching the video.